How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today we're going to talk about this annoying issue, spam calls, or as they're also called, robocalls. We're getting those annoying calls every single day, all the time. It's just getting out of hand, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily identify and even stop completely those annoying phone calls. We're going to go from this, which is the before, to this. Take a look at this with this awesome indication. We're getting the indication on our recents and also when the person actually phones us. Let me show you. No matter if you are an entrepreneur, freelancer, developer, or someone wanting a more secure online presence, your email is more than just a way to communicate. It's how you build trust. That's why Porkbun now makes it easy to connect your custom domain to Proton Mail, giving you email that's private, reliable, and totally secure. With end-to-end encryption, your conversations stay between you and your recipients. No prying eyes, no worries. It's secure, reliable, and private. On top of that, Proton Mail works across all your devices, so you can manage your inbox anywhere. In the setup process, skip the complex configuration. It'll take you just a few minutes. Ready to level up your email game? Get your domain at Porkbun, then add Proton Mail to get the essentials or professional plan starting at just $5.99 per month for the first year. It's easy to do and starts at porkbun.com. Okay guys, so in order to do this, we're gonna need an app, but don't worry because it's completely free. So open up the App Store and then go ahead and go search and then look for Who's Call. You can type it in like that, as you can see, Who's Call, but of course I'm gonna have the information on the screen and link in the description as well. There are a ton of apps that actually do this, but this one is my favorite. It's the most downloaded, the best rating, everything, okay? That's the go-to. So let's go to Who's Call, as you can see, and then get it. As I said, it's free. There are in-app purchases, but that's for extra features, okay? So go ahead and let it download and install. Then just open it up. And then we're gonna have a simple setup. So agree, continue, as you can see right here at the bottom. Got it. You can enable notifications if you want to. Let's move on with next, next, and next. I'm gonna explain you how it actually works. Right here, you have the possibility to get Who's Call Premium. I'm gonna go with the free plan, as you can see right here. And then we have this screen with a very important setup, because in order to get that identification in the recents and when somebody phones you, like I showed you in the intro, you have to actually grant access in your iPhone settings, but it's super simple. All you have to do is tap on Go to Enable, and then it's automatically gonna open up your iPhone settings, because this is an already built-in feature in iOS to allow third-party apps to do this, and then go ahead and enable everything. So block, common, spam, search, instant, and live caller ID as well. So enable everything and let it load. And then you can already exit and come back, of course, to Who's Call, as you can see, and then start download. And this is a very important step, because the way Who's Call actually works is by checking a huge database that they have of actual users that report when they receive calls from fraud, scam, and so on. So it's gonna use its built-in database, that's why we're downloading here, but also an AI. So this is so cool. You can finish, and then right here, you can allow, of course, and then you got it, and then there we go. It's protecting, it's checking, and the database was updated right now, so 556 right now. Of course, you can constantly check for updates, so the database is constantly updated, and of course you'll see some ads here and there because it's the free version. And then automatically after a while, okay, you already see instantly this happen. It was instant actually. Sometimes it takes a little while, so it'll already verify and sweep all of your recent calls, telling you what's actually going on here. You see something in Portuguese because those phone calls are actually from Brazil, and the people who actually report are Brazilians. So that's why you see like fraud in Portuguese, but you got it, fraud. This is mute, This is the company who's phony. This is a lot of people reporting that this person is actually pretending to be from a bank, but it's not a bank, so this is a huge fraud. So as you can see, we got all of the information from our past calls straight here, analyzed by whose call. And it gets better than that, because as I showed you, from now on, when somebody's calling you, when you get the ringing screen, you're gonna see the same information right there in real time, so you don't even have to answer if you don't want to, because you already have the information. And we even have a check feature built in. So let me show you. If I tap here on the I as information, and then I copy this phone call, and then I copy this phone number, I'm gonna copy right here. And then if I open whose call, I can actually check it manually. So I can go to check, I can tap here on the URL, tap here, and then tap once again, paste, and then search. And as you can see, it's gonna search, got it, and then it's gonna give me the information. Fraud, it's gonna say the company and even address and so on. So if for some reason you don't get this indication right here in your recents, you can manually check, just like I showed you. This is so cool. And if you want to actually block phone calls so they don't even ring, you can use the block feature. So you can go ahead and add here one by one, so you can block, or you can get the premium and then you get all of those features automatically, okay? So of course, you can do all of this that I'm showing you for free. I'm using the free version, as you're seeing, because of the ads and so on. But if you want to get more advanced, more in-depth, of course, you can get the premium and then get all of the features, automatic blocking and automatic updating of the database and so on, okay? So that's literally it. That's, in my opinion, the best way to identify, stop, and block spam calls or robocalls on your iPhone for free. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next videos, guys. Bye-bye.